This is Conversations with Zendesk, and today we're chatting with John Ross about Sunshine Conversations, Zendesk's powerful, customizable messaging platform.
Sunshine Conversations is just another way that you can help build richer connections with your customers. So customers now are expecting more immediate responses from businesses. They want to communicate in a really natural and convenient way, just like they communicate with their friends and families.
71% of customers want natural conversational experiences. Sunshine Conversations lets you achieve that.
You can actually build applications within the conversation. Through the APIs, you can create rich experiences like carousels, custom message types. Imagine that your customer reaches out to you because they have a question on their shopping cart. Your agent might get involved and then talk the customer through how to finish their transaction directly within that conversation. So the options on how you interact with your customers are pretty much limitless.
Learn more about Sunshine Conversations on the Zendesk blog.